Hey, good morning. We are InOrbit, and we are pioneering the new field of RobOps, or DevOps for robotics. We built a cloud platform for robot management that enables robotics companies and operators to develop, deploy, and orchestrate robots and smart machines at scale. Our vision is that human ingenuity and robotics and AI in the cloud is the right combination to solve some of the world's most vexing problems. And our team has the expertise to tackle this, including over a decade of experience in robotics and high-scale data-driven companies. Robotics is entering almost every industry, from food production to retail. So I think we'll see much more impact of automation. And this is not some distant future. This is happening now. There's macro trends that we're all aware of and technological improvements as well as investment that is driving a convergence of all these factors for increased use of robotics. So as we like to say, robots are taking off. In particular, logistics is the fastest growing market for robots. So if you are corporate in retail or logistics, can I have you raise your hand and keep it up? Just a few, okay. And then if you keep it up, if you don't care about automation, you can put it down. All right. So the challenge that we've seen with a lot of companies is as they start to grow the use of robots from like a small proof of concept to a large pilot, the infrastructure is what lets them down and doesn't allow them to grow. So that's the problem we've been tackling at InOrbit after working with dozens of robotics companies. So I'd like to share a couple of success stories from our customers. One is Brain Corporation out of San Diego. They have a fleet of hundreds of robots working at malls, at airports, and at Walmart stores. And they're growing very rapidly, and they're announcing new products, including products in logistics. So we're working with Brain to help them do real-time management and remote resolution of problems for their machines. A couple of other relevant customers of ours for this industry, Fellow Robots does inventory management in real time. Stock Robotics is retrofitting forklifts for autonomous operation. So this is really moving. We built our product is called Mission Control. It allows you to handle everything from secure data collection to real-time analytics to incident management and remote interventions. And we have some proprietary technology to allow us to identify problems before they occur and to help keep the health of the fleet of robots up there. I think more broadly, we have this idea of AI for AI. So these robots are using AI locally to navigate and to solve individual tasks, but what's been missing is a global layer of AI. And so what we provide is a way to orchestrate the work of thousands of robots and coordinate with humans as well. And this allows us in turn to drive this constant improvement in efficiency. So our team has a combination of experience in some of the leading robotics companies as well as very high-scale data-driven companies. And we have an amazing team of advisors as well as a growing team of engineers and developers. So what we're mostly interested here today is to work with companies who are going on that journey of improved automation and using AI and robotics in the field to help them manage that complexity as you go. We're going to be at one of the demo tables if you want to hear more about robot operations. Thank you.